Hey guys, so today is Sunday and it is the day of my cousin's 21st birthday party. I'm gonna do the dishes, then I'm gonna do some editing, and then I'll probably get ready, maybe do some homework. So yeah, exciting life. And the cat. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like this fly and it's just flying around so quick to the point where I literally can't do the dishes without getting rid of it. Where's it gone? There it is. Okay, so I've finished the dishes and now I think I am going to either clean my room. Actually no, I'm gonna clean my room, it's a stake. So this is the letter I wrote to myself a year ago, last month, and I did do a video on it, but I don't really think it turned out that well, so I'm going to refilm it, but that should be up soon, so watch out for that. So we're going to the party now.
Don't touch nettles. All my advice for you.
Burn the roads. We're leaving now, and now we're going to the place.
It could be very destructive. Happy birthday to you. Where did you sit it?
Hornham Avenue.
So we're leaving now, and I think we're going to the Fox and Hounds as usual.
Probably,
We just ran up a hill. Well, penny boarded. We're going home now.
These are. I've been off your seat!
This is not you!
Roller coaster! It's out of a maze! Bye! Vlog!
Bye, Ellie. It's been a very long day, and I feel like I haven't really talked much, so I might do a question segment or something. You know, trying to keep the vlogs long and interesting and full of talk. But I need to feed the cat and I need to finish editing because I didn't finish earlier. It is 7:30. So yeah. He ended up editing till quite late, It's now the next morning. I slept in because of all the editing, but thank you for watching. I'm sorry that this video didn't have much talking in it. I'm gonna work on that. Bye.